Hey guys, welcome back to Wings Lecture. This is Vetri. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how to extract images from the videos. It can be a live or a recorded video, right? So let's start with recorded video, which we have already in our PC. Okay. So first you have to import OpenCV because I'm going to use OpenCV library. If you don't have OpenCV library in your editor or IDE interpreter, means you have to install that package. Okay, simply you can go to file, setting, and then in the interpreter you can import import or install OpenCV. Okay, so then after importing OpenCV, you have to write the input variable, which is cap. So you can use any name. Then I'm going to use video capture function from OpenCV library, cv2 dot video capture. So here we have the parameters. So in the here you have to pass the path of your file, video file. So first I'll start by already told that from the video which we have already in our PC. Okay, so in this in my file I already have the video. So you can see here it's a happy. You can see in the folder, sorry, so in here you can see that there is a video named happy. Okay, so you have to get the path from that. So or else you can right click here in the file menu, just right click, copy path, then click absolute path. So just paste it, or else you can click copy path, copy from the content root. So that's also easy. Okay, so let's try that too. So if you are using this path, means you have to change the direction of it. So instead of that, you can use copy path from content root, right? So we have imported the video now. Then we have to convert, or else we can extract. We have to extract the images from this video. Let's start with a loop. We need a loop to integrate this. So let's create a starting index as 0 for the loop, and then create the loop while cap dot is opened, and then so here I'm going to declare two variables. First one is flag variable and second one is for frame. So I'm going to get these two by applying read function. Okay, that's it. So now I have created the loop, and then I have declared the variables flag and frame variables, which is going to be optimized from read function. Okay, now I'm going to create one condition, which is nothing but see if flag is equal to false. So why I'm writing this line, this statement means, so here the flag, which is nothing but we are going to extract as much frames from the video, right? So it can go up to the limit. So if the limit is exceeded, we need a flag, right? Otherwise the program will continue until that. For that, at some stage it has to break. The program has to stop, right? So for that purpose we are using flag variable. Okay, so if it is satisfied, you have to break your program. Otherwise we can go for write, cv2 dot am write, sorry, am write, I'm right. So here you can see the parameters. Okay, flag name, image, and the params. So that's not necessary actually. So here listen carefully. So here you have to keep the file names which how you are going to print or how you are going to name the files, the extracted files. So here I'm going to give simply happy and plus. So it should have, it cannot have a common name, right? Because approximately we are going to get n number of images. For that we need a different names. So instead of keeping different names, I'm going to keep the index, the index values. So number of, the count of images will be, it will be starting from 0, and then the type of output. Okay, so the image file, it's going to be the JPEG. So for example, you will get the output as happy 0.jpg as the first extracted image, and then just call the input, okay, sorry, output. So this is how we are going to write, and that's a function, that's a syntax for applying write function in OpenCV. Okay, so then you have to increment the process by 1. So after every iteration you will get one image as output. Okay, then that's it. Now we have done all the things for extracting the images from the video. Okay, so then we can go for release. So we have to release the video, right? After completing is just release the video by applying this statement, and then cv2 dot destroy all the windows. It's like common functions. Okay, so that's it. Now we can check whether it's working or not. Now just click. So what's wrong here? Sorry, we missed the colon here. Now check. So it's running. That's it. So here you can see, so we have extracted images around 718. So you can go to the folder, so you can see here, right? So that's how we have to do it. Then so there is a problem here, which is we are extracting images in a same folder which we have already, we have a video in the folder, right? So sometimes it's annoying. We can have a separate folder for extracting images, right? So for that you have to make some alternation in your code. See, after break statement, create a path for keeping your files, keeping your output files. So where you want to keep, for example, for now I'm going to delete all these files except the program. Now I have deleted all the files. I'm going to create a new one as frames. Okay, so frames is my folder name, and then just copy the path and paste it here. Okay, then what you have to do is so instead of writing the things here, just cut it, then write plus, add all these things. Okay, so now we have got the path, separate path, and then sorry, you can keep the file name here, path. Okay, so now this file will be stored at now. So this file will be stored at this path now. Something wrong with this, sorry. Whenever you are going to make a path for writing a file, so you have to use right slash for it. Okay, so for getting input you have to use left slash, for output, for printing the output, use right slash. Okay, now you'll get the file name as happy. That means a string which is nothing but it will start from 0 and .jpk. It will be happy 0.jpk. It will start from like that. Okay, so now check the output. So what you have to do is keep the same name at write function. Okay, then click run. So you can see here it's running. We can wait for a couple of seconds. I hope it's completed. So see, you can go to frames here. See, we got the output. You can go to the folder. See, in the folder, before we got the output at the file location v2y, but now I have created a new folder named frames. In here we have all the files, so you can see it here, right? So actually I have stopped the process. We can run it once again. So we have to wait until it gets over. Sometime it will take some time. When you are going to train your machine, sometime it may take more than 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. It's completed now. Now you can check. So we have 718, right? So these are the two options, and next I'm going to explain with a captured image, how to extract the captured image by using camera. Okay, so now see, what you have to do is simply you have to change the your capturing option. Okay, here we are pasting the path, right? So instead of pasting the path, you have to write a function that you can just type 0 if you are using Windows 10. Otherwise, in some machine it won't work on your web camera, laptop web camera. What you have to do is you have to type 0, cv2 dot cap capture function underscore dshow, right? So after that you can get it. Now instead of keeping on the same folder, I would like to create a new folder. So you can go to, then only you can identify, right? I'm just creating a folder face. Okay, so then what you have to do, just rename it face, and that's it. So how I will get the output? Happy as 0.jpg. okay, now you can see here, and I'm click run. So it's running now. No need to wait for function will get stopped. Okay, so simply you can stop, go to face folder. Now see the capture. My face is captured now. right? So this is how we'll get the output. Okay, the quality will differ, but the thing is common. Okay, this is the procedure to extract images from the video. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can comment in comment section, and keep support. Thank you.